India Fiji partnership bilateral documents. First, Memorandum of Understanding between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the Republic of Fiji for design, construction, commissioning, operation and maintenance of a super specialty hospital in Fiji. Second, agreement between HLL, Life Care Limited and Ministry of Health and Medical Service, Fiji, on supply of medicine under Jan Aushadhi scheme. Third, Memorandum of Understanding between Bureau of Indian Standard BIS and Department of National Measurement and Standard DNTMS through the Ministry of Trade, Cooperatives, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise and Communications for and on behalf of the Government of the Republic of Fiji on cooperation in the field of standardization. 4. Memorandum of Understanding between National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NIELIT, India and Pacific Polytech, Fiji on cooperation in the field of human capacity, scaling and upscaling. 5th, Memorandum of Understanding between Government of the Republic of India and Government of Republic of Fiji regarding Indian grant assistance for implementation of Quick Impact Project QIP. 6. Declaration of intent on migration and mobility between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the Republic of Fiji. 7. Handing over of the lease deed of Indian Chancery building in Suva by the Fijian side. 8. India-Fiji joint statement partnership in the spirit of Beilomani Dosti. Announcement. First visit of parliamentary delegation and of Great Council of Chiefs delegation from Fiji to India in 2026. Second, the port call by an Indian naval ship to Fiji in 2025. Third, creation of defense attaché post in High Commission of India, Fiji. Fourth, gifting of ambulance to Republic of Fiji military for Fiji. Fifth, establishment of cyber security training cell CSTC in Fiji. 6. Fiji joined the Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative IPOI. 7. Memorandum of Understanding between Confederation of Indian Industry CII and Fiji Commerce and Employers Federation FCEF. 8. Memorandum of Understanding between National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD and Fiji Development Bank. 9th, deputation of a Hindi cum Sanskrit teacher to University of Fiji. 10th, supply of mobile soil testing to Ministry of Sugar Industry and Multi-Ethnic Affairs. 11th, supply of agricultural drones to Sugar Research Institute of Fiji under the Ministry of Sugar Industry and Multi-Ethnic Affairs. 12th, support for training for a cohort of Pandit from Fiji in India. 13th, second Jaipur food camp in Fiji. 14th, specialized medical treatment offer in India under Heal in India program. 15, cricket coach for India for cricket Fiji. 16, deputation of ITEC export to Fiji Sugar Corporation and special ITEC training for sugar industry staff. 17th, Indian ghee gets access to Fijian market. This is the uh, something happen when Prime Minister of Fiji visit to India, 2 day visit, and he meet our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this is the outcome from this meeting. Eight bilateral documents signed by both government, and 17th announcement uh, doing by both government. This is the good things for our both nations who travel to each country and doing some work there or here. This is the very successful visit to Prime Minister of Fiji. In Fiji, 1/3 population of is the Indian origin. When he visit to do sugarcane agriculture in Fiji. Thank you.